Hey little artists, today we're drawing a beautiful flower step by step. Step 1. Draw a nice round circle in the middle. Step 2. Now draw the first petal at the top. Step 3. Add the second petal on the right. Did you know? Some flowers turn to face the sun during the day. Sunflowers are famous for doing this. Step 4. Keep adding petals until you have 6 beautiful petals around the center. Step 5. Draw a long, straight stem underneath the flower. Step 6. Add 1 leaf on the left and 1 leaf on the right. Flowers help bees and butterflies by giving them sweet nectar. In return, the bees help flowers grow by spreading pollen. Step 7. Trace around the petals with a thicker outline to make your flower stand out. Step 8. Now color your flower with your favorite colors and make it bloom. You can use yellow, red, pink, purple, blue, or even rainbow colors. If you enjoyed drawing with me, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell for more fun and easy drawing tutorials. See you in the next drawing adventure. Bye-bye!